How to remove text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure the timeline is visible. Next, look for the part of the video where the text appears. This could be a title, lower third, or any text clip you added earlier. Now, click on the text clip in the timeline. It will be highlighted. Then, press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the text clip from the timeline completely without keeping the gap. To remove the text and maintain the gap, press backspace instead. If you don't want to delete the text but just want to hide it, right-click on the clip and uncheck Enable Clip. This way, the text will stay in the timeline but will not appear on your video. You can also select the text clip, go to the inspector panel in the top right corner and toggle off the effects to remove any text effect. If the text was added using the Fusion tab, go to the Fusion page. Inside Fusion, find the text node. Click on it to select, then press Delete or Backspace. This will remove the text from your Fusion composition. Also check if there is any subtitle track in your timeline. If yes, and you want to remove the subtitles, right-click on the subtitle track and choose Delete Track. This will remove all subtitle text from the project. Lastly, make sure to check all tracks and layers in the timeline. Text can sometimes be added on different tracks, so remove any that you don't need. And that's it. Now you know how to remove text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.